So this is our HerbSecure site passport for herbs. So basically designed a solution that would track from like collection to the like consumer packaging of the herbs. So it is whole end-to-end design, and a platform is capable of tracking everything from like the from consumer base to client base to the government tracking system. Both have a separate engines to track. So basically, a solution tracks and creates the password at every steps, so that like each and every part of the hubs at each location from collection to the intermediate would be tracked. So it goes like front end looks similar to this, where it's you can simulate the scan and calculate the scores it has, where you can explore the traceability, where like step one and its score would be tracked like farmer Aadhaar verification. So it would be Aadhaar verified. So like each farmer would have from the point of the collection, Aadhaar verification would be done, and then the process would be done. Second would be air herb quality step. Third is the blockchain record creation would be there. AYUSH Digi Locker compliance attached. So like every badges would be then Digi Locker, like every record could be stored on the blockchain, and then it should be Digi Locker verified also. So for the consumer side, scanning QR would be created, that would be displayed, and consumer can scan and display everything. Where the AI score of the herb, the very good part is the LoRa VR IoT sensors we are using. That's a very major thing that would differentiate us. So like if there's an offline low battery and reduce, where the farmer and the collection side would be there, so we can use the LoRa low range technology for this, and it's very good. It can conceive the connections from the very remote areas to the centers and collection centers. That would enhance, and that would be a very core and unique feature we had in this total thing. And for the tracing, where if you want to trace, so the tracing would be here, where the batch proofs would be uh, given here with the transaction IDs, where every step and the quality at every step, where you can also like see the journey of the with the herbs ID, with the farmer's end would be the Aadhaar login OTP, and they need to upload the photo or of the each batches they are going to transfer. Then it would be tracked, and there would be collection centers using the LoRa technology that would enhance it more. Whereas the technological use would be the different technology we are going to use would be AI hub quality scoring, the LoRa IoT sensors for getting the idle data for the low connectivity rural areas, which would be very important for this part. Then would be having the blockchain immutability. As said, the blockchain would track the IDs and maps over the mapping of the data on the blockchain, and transactions signed data that would create accountability at each step of the verification. And so and about, so here's about section, the how the mission would impact and create value around the globe. So that's all for the hub secure, from end to end transcription, end to end tracking with the government verified DigiLocker compliance, Aadhaar verified using of IoT LoRa sensors, that is like irreplaceable, and provide proper connection to the lower and the farmers having the very low connectivity areas to the collection centers. So that's how we have built it, and we're planning to make it very soon working in the India, and that would create enormous effects and transformation and revolution in this journey. Thank you.